We'll guide you through how to import a file in monday.com. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, launch Google Chrome or any web browser of your choice, and make sure you have a stable internet connection before accessing monday.com. Once your browser is ready, go to monday.com by entering the website address into the address bar and waiting for the homepage to load completely. Click Go to My Account to open the sign-in page and access your workspace. Choose the login method that you want to use. For this example, sign in with your email address. Enter your email address in the required field and verify that it is entered correctly before proceeding. Next, type your password into the password field associated with your account. After reviewing your login credentials and confirming that the information is correct, click Login to access your monday.com account. Open the board that you want to use for this task so you can begin importing a file into the appropriate location. Make sure that your board already contains a Files column, as this column is required to store and manage uploaded files within your tasks. If your board does not have a Files column, click the plus icon next to an existing column to add a new column to your board. From the available column types, select Files to create a dedicated column for uploading and managing files within your board. To import a file, click the Files column for the specific task where you want to upload the file. Choose the file source according to your needs. For this example, select from Computer to upload a file directly from your computer. Choose the file that you want to import, making sure you have selected the correct file before proceeding. After selecting the correct file, click Open to begin importing the selected file into your board. You have now successfully imported a file into monday.com, and the uploaded file is now available to access, preview, download, or update whenever needed.